You can't stop us!
Gentlemen, this bout is scheduled for 3 rounds of boxing. Protect yourself at all times. Good luck to both. Box.
The next fighter is one of Ukraine's finest and most dangerous. Last season was a struggle to him, but not only has he made a full recovery, but he feels down he goes. Quicker and more. It's time to find out if he's better than ever.
2, 3. Can you continue? Show me you're ready.
This fight now continues. His electric quickness makes it so difficult to hit. Both men came in with a kick. Who will be able to implement it? Down he goes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk to me. Show me you're ready.
And they're back at it. You can really see fatigue starting to set in. Constant movement from both fighters. It really speaks to their top-notch position.
Seconds out, let's go.
He's down!
1, 2, 3. Walk to me. Show me you're ready.
And they're back at it. In a fight like this, one mistake can make all the difference. He is closing in on a massive victory! A vicious end-to-end classic battle is near. His constant motion has made him impossible to hit.
Seconds out, let's go.
This could be the beginning of the end. Looking to put him away. Punches and punches. This could be the beginning of the end. Landing. He's closing in on a massive victory. Put him away. He got caught down and on end.
1, 2, 3, 4. Look at me. Are you okay?
And this fight now.
Look at me. Are you okay?
This truly has been a spectacular season. A multitude of fighters still in the running for a championship.
Seconds out, let's go.
He is down!
1, 2, 3. Walk to me. Show me you're ready.
And this fight now continues. Okay, they're back at it.
One, two, three, four, five,
Both fighters
six,
looking to dictate the
seven,
pace and fight their
8,
fights.
9. That's it. This fight is over. Ladies and gentlemen, the official verdict. The winner, by technical knockouts, fighting out of the blue corner.
As predicted, a one-sided unanimous decision.